Hello friends, this is Manjeet Singh, Assistant Professor in English from Government College Kosli, Rewari. Dear friends, today I'm going to share a story with you. Once upon a time, there was a boy. He wanted to get knowledge. The people asked him that if he wanted to get knowledge, he should go to Socrates. So friends, as you know, Socrates was a great philosopher and teacher as well. So following the advice of people, the young boy or the man approached Socrates and told him that he wanted to get knowledge. And he offered him to be his teacher and make him his disciple. At first, Socrates refused his offer, but despite his repeated request, at last the teacher Socrates agreed to be his master. And then he takes him to a river and asks him to go deep into the water. Then he asks Socrates, "Sir, what are you doing?" So the Socrates replies that if you want to get knowledge, if you want to be my disciple, you would have to follow my instructions. So Socrates took him to the waist deep water. And as they reached there, he thrust the young boy into water. The boy tried hard to come out of water, and at last he succeeded. But Socrates repeated the same practice time and again. The boy started thinking what this man was actually doing, what he actually wanted to teach him. But he dared not ask any question because Socrates was his teacher. So at last, what happened? That Socrates thrust him into the water and maintained that position for a long time. And now the boy was inside the water, so it was unbearable or intolerable for him to remain inside the water for such a long time. So at last, summoning all his strength, he tried hard and came out of the water. And he asked his teacher Socrates, "Sir, what were you doing? Were you trying to kill me?" And the Socrates, instead of giving an answer to his question, put a question before him. And he asked the young man, "So the boy, please tell me, what were you thinking when you were inside the water? What was your ultimate desire at that time? What was the thing which you were urging to get?" And the boy replied, "So actually at that time the most important thing for me was to come out of the water and to get breath. Getting breath was my sole intention, was my ultimate desire." So Socrates replied that, "Boy, at the time I was trying to kill you, but in spite of my effort of killing you, you with all your strength came out of the water." Okay, so if you want to get knowledge in your life, the kind of intensity you showed while coming out of the water, if you show the same kind of intensity, you will definitely get knowledge. So the moral of the story is that if you want to get something and if you have the intense desire or the passion for that particular thing, you will easily get that. Thanks a lot, friends.